Good morning, students. So today we solve some more problems on pedal equation. Here the problem is, find the pedal equation to the curve L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Okay, so this is a given curve. Now we have to find the pedal equation to this curve. So pedal equation means what? So it is an equation which involves P and R. It is known as the pedal equation. So P means it is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the pole to the tangent, and R is the radius vector, right? So call this equation as 1. Now taking log to equation 1. Okay, so to this equation we apply log, then what we will get? Log of L by R is equal to log 1 plus E cos theta. Log 1 plus E cos theta. Now this is nothing but log m by n, correct? So here log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. So we write this as, which implies log L minus log R is equal to, this is log of 1 plus E cos theta. Okay. Next, differentiating with respect to theta. So L is constant, log L is also constant. So differentiation of log L is 0. So this is 0. Minus log R, differentiation is 1 by R. Then again applying chain rule, differentiation of R is dr by d theta is equal to. Now differentiation of this is nothing but log x. Now differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So this is 1 divided by 1 plus E cos theta. Okay. So then differentiation of this again 1 plus E cos theta by applying chain rule. So then this gives differentiation of 1 is 0. Now differentiation of E cos theta is E into minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, which means minus 1 by R dr by d theta is equal to, this is 1 divided by 1 plus E cos theta. Then simplifying this, we will get minus E sin theta. Okay, or other words, this is 1 minus 1 by R dr by d theta is equal to, this is minus E sin theta divided by 1 plus E cos theta. So both the sides minus minus get cancelled. So this is 1 by R dr by d theta. Now we need phi. Phi means tan phi is equal to R into d theta by dr, correct? So now reversing this. Okay, reversing this equation. So what we will obtain on reversing this, we will get R into d theta by dr, which is equal to, when this is equal to this, then this is also to be reversed. So this is 1 plus E cos theta divided by E sin theta. Now this is tan phi, and this is 1 plus E cos theta divided by E sin theta. Okay, So now in this case we cannot express phi explicitly, okay, because we want to in such a way that tan will get cancelled. We have to we have to express we have to find the value of y in such a way that this tan will get cancelled each other, okay. So like that it is not possible in this case. So what we use another length of the perpendicular formula, that is what we do. So we know that 1 by p square is equal to 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square, correct, 1 by r square plus 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta whole square. Okay, so now we use this formula. Okay, so for that what we do? Okay, now simplifying this equation. So that is, so this is equal to, now write 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into bracket. Now in this case, here, now we have to substitute here dr by d theta value, correct. We have to substitute this dr by d theta value. So for that what we do, we use this relation, okay. So from this equation, what is dr by d theta? Dr by d theta is equal to, cross multiply this, r e sin theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta, okay. From this expression we calculate dr by d theta. So dr by d theta, just cross multiply here, so r e sin theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta. Now substitute this value of dr by d theta in this equation, okay. So we obtain this is equal to, I will write here, 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta means r e sin theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta whole square, 1 plus e cos theta whole square. Okay, so now we simplify this. So that is 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4, okay, into bracket, this is r square e square sin square theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta whole square, 1 plus e cos theta whole square, okay. Just a whole square, a by b whole square is a square by b square, okay. So now this is equal to, this implies 1 by p square is equal to this 1 by r square as it is plus, now again in 1 r square and here r raised to 4 is there, so 1 r square get cancelled, so it will get 1 by r square into bracket e square sin square theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta whole square, okay. So now from the given equation, what is the given equation? So this is the given equation. So L by R is equal to 1 plus e cos theta. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find a pedal equation. So pedal equation means it should contain only P and R, and it should not involve any trigonometric functions. So it should not involve any functions like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, so like that. So it should not involve any trigonometric function. It contains only length of the perpendicular, that is P, and the radius vector R. So from the given equation, what we do, we write 1 plus e cos theta as L by R. So here in this I replace this 1 plus e cos theta by L by R, okay, by L by R, and I write from equation 1 L by R, okay. So thus I eliminated cos theta, correct. I eliminated cos theta here. So I have written 1 plus e cos theta is equal to L by R. How I have written that? By using the given equation 1. Is this equation 1. So L1 plus e cos theta is L by R. So therefore I will write here L1 plus e cos theta is equal to L by R. So thus I eliminated cos theta. Okay. Next, what I do? Here this is sin theta is there. Okay, now I should eliminate this sin theta also. Okay, I should eliminate this sin theta also. So to eliminate sin theta, what I do, as I have written 1 plus e cos theta is equal to L by R. Okay, this is from the given equation. Now what I do, I calculate cos theta value. So that is e cos theta is equal to L by R minus 1. I bring this 1, or I send this 1 to LHS, RHS. So it gives e cos theta is equal to L by R minus 1. Next I find cos theta value. Cos theta is equal to, now I take LCM and you will get L minus R divided by R. Then cos theta is, this is divided, so it is R into E. Okay. Now I obtain cos theta. So when I obtain cos theta, then I can find sin theta very easily, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. From this relation, what we know? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So now I know the value of cos theta. I know the value of cos theta. I substitute the value of cos theta here. Okay, and then simplify, and I will get the value of sin theta. So that is sin square theta plus, then what is cos theta? I write here L minus R divided by RE cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so now I need the value of sin theta. So I sin square theta is equal to, then I send this term to RHS, 1 minus L minus R divided by RE whole square. That is sin square theta is equal to, now I take LCM. So LCM is R square E square, because it is A by B whole square. I write this as A square by B square. So B square means it is R square E square. So R square E square is LCM. Here R square E square is multiplied. Okay, it is 1. So here R square E square is multiplied, and here it is only 1 is multiplied. So this R square into E square minus of L minus R E square. So that is sin square theta is equal to this R square E square as it is. Now I apply A minus B whole square formula. Okay, so I put the bracket, then I apply A minus B whole square. So what is A minus B whole square formula? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Correct? So divided by this R square E square as it is. Okay. So now simplify this. So sin square theta is equal to, so R square E square minus L square minus R square, then minus minus becomes plus 2LR whole divided by R square E square. Okay, or in other words, from these two terms I take R, R and R common from these three terms, so which gives sin square theta is equal to, sin square theta is equal to is equal to, so first I will write minus L square. Okay, then I take r common from all the terms, other terms. So I take r common. In bracket we get r into e square, then minus r, then plus 2l whole divided by r square e square, whole divided by r square e square. Okay, so now this is what sin square theta. So now what I do, I substitute this value of sin square theta, in this equation here, that is here. Okay, so this I replace by L by R, and this sin square theta I replace by this equation. Okay, so now call this equation as 2. Now substituting, I call this equation as 3, make it as 3, and this as 2. Which one? So this equation as equation 2, correct? So now what I do, substituting sin square theta from 3, next from this equation into equation 2, then we get, so which is equal to what, 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r square as it is, into bracket e square as it is, e square into this sin square theta. Okay, e square into sin square theta is minus L square plus r into e square minus r plus 2l, close the bracket, whole divided by r square e square. This is e square sin square theta. Okay, this whole becomes what, e square sin square theta, then divided by 1 plus e cos theta whole square. So 1 plus e cos theta means L by r, so your whole square means L square by r square. So this will get, or we can write this as, again simplifying, so 1 by p square, so this is 1 by r square plus 1 by r square into bracket. Now this comes in the denominator and it gives r square by L square. Okay, then into bracket I multiply these two, so minus e square L square, then plus e square r square. Okay, multiply this e square r into r square, e square into e square, e raised to 4, sorry, this is e raised to 4 into r square, then this into this minus this into this, so r into r minus r square, so it is plus e square minus r square e square. Okay, so then plus 2lr into e square, plus 2lr into e square. Okay, whole divided by r square e square. So here 1 r square get cancelled, right? So which is equal to, which is equal to 1 by p square into 1 by r square. Okay, 1 by r square, then plus 1 by r square as it is. Next we simplify this, so here e raised to 4 r square minus r square e square plus 2lr e square. So in all the term e square is common, so I take e square common. Okay, I take e square common, and in bracket what I left, so minus L square, then plus e square r square, because e raised to 4 is there, so I take e square, then 1 e square is left, then minus I have take e square common, so r square is left, then plus I take again e square common, 2lr whole divided by e square. Okay, so this e square get cancelled. Okay, this e square get cancelled. So now from these two equations, so minus L square minus R square plus 2LR, take minus common. So again this can be simplified as 1 by P square is equal to 1 by R square plus 1 by R square into bracket. Now taking the first I write this one, E square R square. Then next from this term I take minus common. From this one and this one I take minus common. So what I left R square, then plus R square minus 2LR. Okay, so E square already it is cancelled. Or this is equal to 1 by P square, and now again I take 1 by R square common here. This is 1, then plus, now this is E square R square minus, now this is nothing but A minus B whole square formula. So A minus B whole square means A square plus B square minus 2AB, so which is L minus R whole square. So this is the solution of the Padel equation of the given curve. So this is the Padel equation of the given curve, that is L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Okay, so I hope you understood this problem. In the next class I'll continue. Thank you.